Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by. And if you are new to this channel, what we do here is we bring tips and tricks from our skin clinic in Southern California, and we show you how to do wonderful treatments that are result oriented in the convenience of your own home. So if you're new to this channel and you like the content, we would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and give us a thumbs up if you would. It really helps with the algorithms. I really appreciate that. So a lot of you know that we just launched this amazing tool, and it's our Derma Glow Nano Micro Needling, and it has a Hydra Infusion built into this amazing device. So today I'm going to show you how to use the 0.25 nano head on the with the device. Now the last tutorial, and I'll link it up above, was on the nano head with smooth tip, which infuses the skin and works as an exfoliation. That tip has two heads, the same heads that come with the device, but the different size heads as far as the nano needling are on our site, and our site is www.jolie, Joli, spa.com. And you'll see under home treatment, professional and home treatments, you'll see the heads listed with the nano device. The heads are $4.50, and you sanitize the heads with a little bit of alcohol, let it dry, and put it in a safe spot for the next use. So they're multi-use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get started, and I'm going to show you today that we are using the blue copper. Now remember, our blue copper, our ampules that are also listed on that link on our site, are ampules that are mixed for optimal freshness. They have a drug delivery system that is it is the way our ampules are made. So what I'm going to do is I'm getting a lot better at peeling off the metal tabs. I'm just being a little more patient, lifting it up, and it just winds around the lid, and that seal, that medical seal, is removed, and then you can easily remove the stopper. So I'm going to mix them, and so I'm mixing the blue copper, and the benefits of blue copper are just amazing as far as skin strengthening and really stimulating collagen and elastin, helping with melanin, brightness of the skin. Okay, so I have mixed my blue copper. Now, this blue copper ampule can be refrigerated after use, and you're going to get about, I would say, 2 treatments minimum out of this ampule. You'll just put your stopper back on the lid and you'll put it in the refrigerator. Now, this is the cylinder. One side, one end is the nano head, and it's today I'm using the 0.25 millimeter, sorry. And then I'm going to fill my ampule. Now, in a previous email or video, I'm so sorry, I'm a little tired, but I need to remember what I'm talking about. And in a previous YouTube tutorial, I did the head, the nano head for exfoliation. And as I was filling the ampule, I did not hold my finger at the very end. So I lost a little serum. So I'm going to advise that you put your finger on the end and fill your ampule. Now you'll see I have at least half or more of my blue copper left. So I can use that, refrigerate it, and use it for my next treatment. Okay, I'm putting the stopper on. Now my ampule is filled. I'm going to insert it into the device, and then I'm going to apply the sleeve. Now, a word of caution, we are going to do nano needling differently than in the video for the nano exfoliation head, because the nano needles really push into the skin. We want to do a stamping motion. So with our nano heads, 0.25, 0.5, and 0.1, those heads, once they're inserted, need to be stamped. Unless you have a lot of glide on the skin, we just want to press that into the skin and let those nano needles really work the essence or ampule or serum that you're using into the skin. So I've got, I have very resilient skin, so I have it on level 6, and I'm going to start with the right side of my face, and I think I'll start on my chin, and I'm just going to use a stamping motion, and I'm going to overlap the device on my skin. Now, what I would like you to do, if you're new to nano needling or micro needling, I'd like you to take a look at that beautiful result there. I am causing, to me as an esthetician, it's a beautiful result because I am creating a very gentle nano channeling in the skin. There's very little trauma, but there's enough trauma that the skin is going to kick into high gear and start protecting, start producing collagen, and start repairing the skin. Now remember, we are pushing the blue copper peptides into the epidermis. It's getting into that top layer and creating hydration and just really driving those nutrients into the skin. Now I'm going to work my way up the cheek. Now I'm going to share a tip with you. As soon as I finish the cheek, I want to share a tip with you on the nano needling. This is virtually painless. I feel absolutely nothing. But as you can see, it is creating a beautiful pink tone, which means I'm really getting that infusion into the skin. Now, I finished the cheek area. Before I move on to the under eye area. Okay, I'm finishing up here with the décolleté, and I am overlapping the stamping of the head on the décolleté. I've already gone up this side of the neck. I'm going to finish up the right side of the neck, going right up the front, holding my neck taut, and I'm just stamping the neck. You want to be a little more careful and a little more gentle with the skin on the neck and under the eye, because it is a more delicate skin. It's not as thick. Now I'm going to go right underneath the eye and show you that portion. I'm going to close my eye and I'm going to press gently, overlapping. So that's the under eye, and I think I already showed you the upper eye. I'm going to go right in here and then right down the nose. Okay, so we've been able to hit the entire face, neck, and chest. going to turn off my device and I'm going to quickly spray my skin with some Derma Fluff for plumping. And I'm going to go right in with my Matrixyl 3000. Press that into the skin. Get the circulation going. I can't even tell you how much you will see in real results with this treatment. I'm going to be going out to lunch with my husband, so I'm just going to put some Matrixyl 3000 on, our Reviving Deep Wrinkle Cream. I'll apply that to the skin, massage it in, and then I'm actually getting the benefits of the Matrixyl 3000. And then I'll occlude it with a nice little layer of our tinted Blur and Glow moisturizer, SPF 46. And I'll go out with just a nice layer of my tinted moisturizer, put a little lip gloss on, and I'm just going to be completely natural today and let my skin breathe. Let it start really firming up with the blue copper, with the nano needling, the trauma, the control trauma, and the really amazing results that come with this device. So anyways, I apologize if I'm a little frazzled. Been burning the candle on both ends, and taking care of my mother who had a really terrible fall. And so sometimes I don't express myself as well as I would like, but I think you got a really good idea of how to use the nano head on our new Derma Glow Nano Hydra device. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I really, really thank you for watching and being patient with us on this channel, with me. And I hope you have a wonderful week. And I will see you next Monday. And I really thank you for watching. Have a great day.